We've seen quite a bit of rainfall, primarily on the North Shore, and so far nothing has been severe. Let's hope that trend continues. We'll show you what the computer models are saying coming up. Some of the storms, though, have been kind of borderline strong to severe, not quite reaching the Weather Service criteria. Strong winds, certainly, and even some small hail, but not quite exceeding the actual criteria of what it would be to classify them as a severe storm. Certainly some very heavy rainfall moving across parts of northern and central Tangipahoa Parish, moving into kind of briefly getting in northwestern Washington, and you can almost see kind of a little boundary sinking southward. This is going to continue sinking southward and bring in some rainfall on the South Shore, whereas we have not had any rainfall so far today. Not that we're in the clear just yet, but it does look like that window of opportunity of seeing anything strong or severe is quickly starting to close. Here's what our computer model is indicating, and right now it's actually initializing pretty well. Those are the heavier storms on the North Shore. Watch over the next couple of hours. They weaken. That boundary sinks southward, and we're looking at just some rainfall in the metro area as that boundary continues to push south. As we continue through the overnight period, a few lingering showers, but then drying out as we head into the day tomorrow. And so far, rainfall totals not that impressive at all. We've had nothing in Slidell, and Bogalusa has just over a quarter of an inch of rainfall. So we have not really seen a great deal of rain at all so far today. That's great news for the flooding concerns that we had on the North Shore, and certainly great news that we have not seen the severe risk around the area. 70-degree dew point, very humid outside. Winds have been breezy out of the south-southwest, 10 miles an hour right now. You can clearly see where that frontal system is. Look at this. 61 degrees Hammond, 54 in Macomb, 79 degrees right now at Kenner. Today's high was 82 degrees. We were once again only a degree off of the record, and most of the afternoon today was spent in the upper 70s and lower 80s. This is at Kenner. Compare that to Hammond. We barely got to around 70 degrees briefly, but as the front kind of meandered back and forth, you saw for a brief time early this morning or early this afternoon, temperatures dropped into the low 60s, got back into the 70s, got back into the low 60s, and right now at 59 degrees. Winds are also fairly breezy, and notice how strong they are on the North Shore, but also notice the direction: out of the north, out of the south on the South Shore. That front, as I'd mentioned yesterday, was basically going to bisect the area with the dividing line, basically Lake Pontchartrain. We see that spin off to our west. This is a little surface low almost over Houston right now, and then kind of a broader spin in the upper parts of the atmosphere is the main upper trough that helped to kind of get this surface low going. We have not really seen the severe risk that we were anticipating, and that is a good thing. This is going to be all to our east, well, at least the surface low to our east by tomorrow. May take a little bit more time for that upper trough to move on through. That's going to probably keep some clouds around as we head into the day on Thursday. Luckily, though, again, really any risk of severe weather is quickly diminishing. By tonight, maybe some lingering showers, certainly, and mostly cloudy skies as we head into the day Thursday, with finally breaking out into more sunshine by Friday. So cloudy skies and breezy. Falling temperatures overnight, really more into early tomorrow morning. As we start off the day, we'll probably be in the upper 50s and lower 60s and staying in the 60s during the day tomorrow. High temperatures will be on the cool side for the next couple of days, but at least we will see more sunshine by both Friday and Saturday. Rain chances spotty at best as we get into early next week. Also, remember, you can text the word weather or radar to the number on your screen, 529-4444, for a link to provide you with weather information as well as our radar. Or if you do see anything happening, you can send over photos, videos, comments about what you're witnessing to that same number.
Thank you, Chris. The Orleans